Hello and welcome to the next of our 5-minute theory lessons, and today's lesson is all about time signatures. Time signatures are things that appear at the beginning of a piece of music to tell you how many beats there are in a bar. Now, why are they so important to a piece of music? Well, we're going to be finding out about that, and we'll look at the most common time signatures and then have a go at identifying some time signatures just by listening to the music. And as ever, Mini Mozart's here to help. So, what is a time signature? Think of a time signature as the thing that tells you how many beats fit into one musical box. But wait, what's a musical box? In music, we break everything up into small sections called bars. Each bar holds a set number of beats, and this makes the music easier to read, easier to follow, and helps give it a specific rhythmic feel. Without bar lines, you'd just have an endless stream of notes, and that would be very hard to keep track of. So, a bar has a fixed number of beats, and the time signature tells you exactly what that number is. You'll always see a time signature at the start of a piece, and sometimes it even changes partway through if the composer wants a different rhythmic groove. So, what does a time signature look like? It kind of looks like a fraction, but it's not really one. There's no dividing line. It's just one number written above another. The top number tells you how many beats are in each bar. For example, a 3 on top means there are 3 beats in each bar. The bottom number tells you what kind of note you're counting in. This comes from the note values we learned previously. If the bottom number is 4, you're counting in crotchets or quarter notes because 4 crotchets fit into a semibreve or whole note. If it's a 2 at the bottom, you're counting in minims or half notes. And if it's an 8, you're counting in quavers or eighth notes. If you're unsure about note lengths or how long each one lasts, check out our rhythm videos. Everything is explained there. Right, now, you can see 2 examples, 3/4 and 4/4. 3/4 means 3 crotchet or quarter note beats per bar. 4/4, the most common time signature, means 4 crotchet or quarter beats per bar. So have a listen to Mini Mozart tapping out a 3/4 time signature. Now have a listen to a 4/4 time signature being tapped out by Mini Mozart. Now have a listen to these 2 music clips. Can you tell which one has 3 beats in a bar and which one has 4 beats in a bar? The Maple Leaf Rag, the first piece, had 4 beats in a bar, and the Skater's Waltz, the second piece, had 3 beats in a bar. If you've enjoyed this theory lesson, then check out our others on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also find Theatre of Music on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. And if you would like instrumental or theory lessons with Catherine Brooks, then visit our Theatre of Music website, theatreofmusic.com, and go to Instrumental Tuition, and all the information you need is there.